The color is different, but the taste is equal. So woman is like lemon. They have more color in face, but according to life, they are equal. That's why I marry only one girl. Okay? If you don't understand,
Okay.
go to the Google and find translation.
Oh, and what number are we now in, guys? Number 4 or 5? Okay, next.
So what?
Is that
Number
it?
6.
Is that's it? That's it?
So and
Mine also, they're sleeping. They're up
let
midnight.
us can we play a strong match? Prepare yourself and I prepare myself. How many
Yeah, we can.
how many weeks that you want? Do you want 2 days or
Is
3
it
days?
is it one and done? One and done?
Yeah.
We play one game, one big game.
Let me ask you one question. Are you a single?
Should I answer this question, guys?
Yes, answer. Emotional damage.
No, yes, no.
Yes, no, Yanini. Take one decision. Are you a single?
Yes.
You're single. Okay, not bad, not bad. Emotional damage. Gorilla.
What the hell? What the...
Why you choose single life? Don't be scared. Don't be scared of the one you look at you. Don't be scared.
What the hell are you? Why the hell are you asking me that question? You can answer it by yourself. Why you single, dude? I asked you that question and you didn't answer.
I told you. For the
No, you didn't tell me.
financial
You didn't
problem.
tell me.
Because my money is too much. I just wanna the one who keep my money. I never trust the girls because they like money too much. They eat my money. So I wanna the one who care my money like happy.
Dude, what the hell? You talk too much. You talk too much. You talk too much, dude.
You don't like the truth. You don't like the truth.
Huh?
Yeah.
Why are you single? You didn't tell us. You didn't tell us.
The only reason that I'm single is I like and the girl who have three behavior.
Huh?
The one I choose is the girl who have three behavior.
Thank you. Daddy, thank you.
The one who respect my words.
Mm-hmm.
For example, I said, did things I don't like it, please respect me. If she respect me like that, I like that lady. Because when the girl respect you, your words, she's a beautiful lady, clean heart. Another girl is, I like the girl who love me too much. When other people saying, do you love money or your girlfriend? She said, I love my boyfriend more than money. Because I like the girl say money is a paper. Number 3 is, the girls who don't love money. Number 3 is the girls who always love my family. Because when the person loves your family, he loves you too much. Yes.
Number 4.
I'm finding that lady.
Okay, number 4. What's number 4?
Number 4 is the girl who like timing. Do you know timing?
What do you mean?
The girl who, when I come to the house, the girl say, "Baby, let us go to the out. Let us take time for outing, coming to the malls, taking shopping, eating, something like that." The girl who loves timing. Do you know timing? I come the house, she give me a food and she sleep. I don't like that lady.
Number 5. Okay. Number 5.
Number 5, what I like is the girl give me a surprise gift. Not only the expensive one, but surprise gift is using nice word is a
Thank
gift,
you.
right?
Besta Ed. Besta.
Okay, surprise
Okay.
gift. Surprise gift. For example, she go to the malls and she see a nice T-shirt and said that my husband and my boyfriend she deserve this T-shirt, and she take me and T-shirt. I bring to you this T-shirt. Something like she show me much love. Okay.
Okay,
Number
but
5.
okay. Second question is, what will you? I mean, 5 is enough, right? I mean, we can go to
Yes,
20.
it's enough.
Yeah, 5 enough. Okay, we were listening. Everybody was listening. Okay, the next question is, it is, what will you give her back? What will you give her back? 5 things you will give her back. Like you said, she have to do this. I want her to do this.
So,
what will you give her back?
according to myself, the girl
Thank you,
I
number.
marry, in the name of God, I treat her like my mom. Cause my mom, I love
Like
her.
your mom?
Yes, I care her like my sister, and I respect her like my friend. I drink her like water. I take her decision like my father. Number 6, I never marry a girl behind her.
What?
For example, I marry her, I never cheat her to marry another lady. No, ever. Because let
So
me tell
you will only have one
forever.
wife. One wife.
Forever.
That's enough.
Forever. Let me tell you one thing. Some men is they like more than 2 wives. But let me tell you one thing. Do you know the lemon?
The
Do you know
lemon,
the lemon?
yeah.
Lemon have 2 color, yellow and the green, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the taste is equal, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
You said
three
you will
things.
take a decision like her father. You will take her decisions. You will make her decisions. You said something like that.
But I hate three kind of girls.
Mm-hmm.
The girl who love money too much. I don't like it. Even
Yeah,
I don't
you
like to
already said
become
that.
even I don't like to become a friend. The girl is
Uh-huh.
always like money. Number two is the girls have more friends in a man.
Huh?
More than 20.
She have a lot of friends which are guys.
Because
okay.
when they learn more culture about man, she deal with you like a man.
Okay. Oh wait.
Because, for example, you have more than 6 or 7 boys in your friend, right? You addicted them culture, and then you start to deal with like a man.
No, that's totally not true. That's not true.
Number 3, let me tell you. Number 3 is, I don't like the girl who don't have humanity. I don't like it. Without kindness, heartless, I don't like it. For example, let me tell you one thing. She loves me. She loves me. For example, she treat me well. But when my friends come to my house and my family, she never treat me like me.
Uh-huh.
That's three. That's three kind of woman that I don't like it.